Welcome back. So I'm getting started with this light pale blue gel here by Beetles. I'm going to be doing 2 coats on this thumbnail and then just 1 coat on the rest of it. Okay, so after I've cured them, I'm going in with this glitter blue and I'm just going to be adding a nice layer on these 2 nails. And I'm going to be using these foils, these Christmassy foils. I'm going to go in with this blue one here. So this one has snowflakes. I'm going to be cutting a nice piece for both of the nails. And I'm going to be using my nail art foil glue. So I'm adding a nice layer on each of the nails. Then I'm going to be curing them for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be applying each piece on the nails. And I'm going to make sure to rub the nails really good so the foil could get stuck to them. For this, I'm going to be grabbing this little smudge tool. So I'm just going to be rubbing it really good, taking my time on this. I'm just forwarding on the video just so it doesn't take too long, but I am taking my time rubbing this in the nail. Alright, so I'm going to be taking the foil off, and obviously this does seem to happen here and there, so no worries. All I'm going to do is make sure I reapply some of those snowflakes, making sure I align it with the pattern as best as I can, just because the nail still has that sticky glue. And I'm going to go ahead and rub it in and then just yank it off and the nail should be fine. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and add a nice layer of base gel. And I'm going to be using this holographic glitter here on both of those nails with the foil. And then I am also going to be adding it to my thumbnail. Okay, and now I'm going to be adding a layer of top coat just to seal that in. Now it's time for some rhinestones. So I'm going to be using these here, and also, well, my glue and these other ones here as well. All right, and they are ready. This is a closer look. They're super cute. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will be seeing you guys on the next one.